other day, I was playing an epic game of Valorant, top fragging and being amazing like I am. And then I used Jett's ult. And her knife throwing is pretty sick. So I thought to myself, why don't I throw knives like that? But we all saw how that went, and I don't want to put any practice or time into it, so I guess that means I'm building a robot that'll make me good at it so I'm not god-awful anymore. Ooh, robots. Okay, yes, those are robots, but not the kinds that'll help us throw knives. So listen up. So we're gonna take two big flywheels and a brushless motor and connect them together to make the flywheel spin super fast. We're then gonna take a throwing knife and a servo with an arm mounted to the horn and use the servo to push the knife into the wheels, which will make the knife travel with great velocity into the target, giving us a bullseye every single time. Now I just gotta cut it, remember where each one of these parts go, build it, and look at how sick it looks. So while it does look sick, it's actually really stupid. It doesn't know when to turn on these wheels, it doesn't know when to move the servo, it doesn't know how to do anything. So to fix that, we're gonna use an Arduino and some code. So I've written my first draft of code, so now when I pull this button, these wheels should spin up. So I knew going into this that those wheels could expand at high speeds because they're flexible wheels. The problem is that I didn't know how much they would expand. So I made this gap between the motor and the wheel too small. So the problem there was I was spinning the wheel so fast that the wheel was expanding and touching the motor, which is really bad. I was able to fix this by simply slowing down the speed of the wheel. So now I should be ready for a full test with the knife loaded. Okay, so we have one blade loaded up. This is my first time trying it. Let's see what happens. That's not bad. Okay, so I've sped up the wheel speed just a little bit, which should make it work. Boom! It works. Now I just gotta program an automatic mode so I can shoot knives one after another, and I should be all set. So I've proven how deadly this thing is. It's destroyed a lot of stuff, but I haven't proven how accurate it is. So I've got my brother here and we're gonna have a little competition to see who can be more accurate on this target. For our purposes, the yellow will be worth 5 points, the red will be worth 3 points, the blue will be worth 2, and then the black will be worth a single point. That's a point. Red. Boom! That's a win for me and this bad boy. So it was kinda accurate, at least against my brother, so that's a win for me. It was really destructive too, which is awesome. I'd like to shoot more stuff with it in the future if you're interested. Thanks for watching the video, all of you who've watched this far. Feel free to give me a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next month with a new video.